Welcome back, guys. Crypto4Life channel. Today we'll talk about Stella price Alpha USDT trading pair with my custom set updates. Let's dive in. All right, guys. So the Alpha now in top gainers, but if you zoom out, nothing special happened with this token. Just be real, right? So bull run plans still in place, still relevant. We just come back again. Dip it lower inside at 27 block. So this block is kind of pretty wide, right? Because here it was a top, here was a support, bounce, 38, collapsed down inside the 27 block. We traded a few weeks ago around the October 2020 low. So it's kind of weird, right? So the low was at least on a Binance in 2020, like around number 2 cents. The Stella stopped it at 2 cents 49. So this low, if we check this one, we didn't drop and didn't get this liquidity, right? Liquidity levels. I don't think so. We should drop that low, but we can in the next bear market. If not now, this basically can be the historical AQL lows. If not now, maybe we come back later. So this is an impulse. If you watch the video about a break of structure, this is an impulse, and we need to sweep this high over than 13 cents 71 to break the structure. So can we drop lower on the listing price on a Binance? Of course we can. Easily, just in an eye blink, guys. Just so easy. Basically, absolutely everything is still relevant until the token exists on the centralized exchanges. I remind you guys, not all tokens will hit the new all-time high this cycle or the next cycle. Guys, don't believe in all of these dreams about the crypto. So the crypto should pump just because it's a crypto. It doesn't work like this one. Now we got an institutional, and it's never worked. By the way, and now we get institutional, and mostly they just invest in some BTC, and one day, definitely the liquidity will outflow from the, from the BTC into alts, but build the realistic price targets, and the bull run plan for Alpha still in play if the Binance will still keep this coin on their platform with all other exchanges, because we need liquidity. So the target is $1 billion market capitalization. It's around this high, $1.29. So because 92% tokens in circulation supply now, 922 million, FDV market cap almost equal, so fundraising rounds, we can double check here. 1 cent was a private round, and IAO was on a Binance in 2020, like 2 cents. So we almost come back to the level of IAO rounds on a Binance, so now we just basically 100% in profit. And I'm more than sure that guys already distributed their backs during all of this last 4 years. So if they get a plan to accumulate this token again, the levels, what we can wait to see here. This one is 30 cents liquidity pool. To break the structure, we need to pump over then 13 cents. Take a look. Last cycle, we pump it after listing like 14,000% gains. People wait. Absolutely the same stories this cycle, but guys, most likely we'll never see something similar. So take a look. The 1 billion market capitalization is going to be around here, around this level. Maybe most positive case scenario for the Alpha, I guess, it can be the $1.72. Like, I don't know, over than 1.5, I guess, billion market capitalization and 0.5 level of FEEP over than this liquidity pool, 5,000% gains. Maybe here, this one, 4,700% gains. Conservative price target, if some miracle will happen, we can pump 4,000% gains from that low to 1 billion market capitalization. So maybe, nobody knows the future, guys. Maybe, why I say maybe, because we can't know. Maybe we will pump like this one, and after the few months, Binance will post the announcements, so they will delist the Alpha. We can't know for sure, so they will never delist it. We can't know. So just be real. Who could predict they will delist the Alpaca? Nobody. But Alpaca pump 3,000% gains, and after that, will finish the ride like this one. Maybe it will be the same story with Alpha. We can't know. But what we can do, we can build a plan. We can work with the proper money management. We can work with the zone. So for example, now even at 4 cents, it's more than comfortable price based on a risk reward to invest in this asset, because now it's a really, really low cap token, 37 million market capitalization. Also, it's on Arbitrum. So I don't think so. Arbitrum ecosystem, it's a scam. So probably some of the project will pump, and most of them will pump when Arbitrum will pump. But Arbitrum need for pump to Arbitrum, we need to see the pump on Ethereum. So everything like connected between the dots, right? So, but to pump the Ethereum, we need to see the money outflow from the BTC. So guys, sometimes it's so complicated. So now it's okay, time accumulates all this imputed, like you can see, the wheels accumulate. Now it's okay, time for accumulation. Even if it's a repeat raiser, now I guess it's okay. Accumulated token. And I highly recommend you guys go and check, just in education purpose, the main bull and plan video for this token. So take a look now with my customer said what's going on now with this token. Here was accumulation. Take a look, weekly time frame. Weekly, I personally use for investment. I will never buy. I'm not like never. I don't have a plan to buy alpha, because I don't have an unlimited budget to buy every single token. But if you have a plan to invest in alpha, take a look. The March 2022, the low and accumulation was 25 cents. After that, 10 cents. Here was 4 cents. And recently we hit the 2 cents. Basically, we formed the huge divergence on ADZ, 3 years divergence. Madness, right? Imagine. The first low here was at 25 cents. Now we hit the 2 cents. So this is a bullish one. So definitely the bullish one signal. So this is not a time to out of the token. But of course, we can dump on the October somewhere. And mostly, guys, I think we will see something like this one, 1 billion market capitalization and drop on the listing price. Maybe. And maybe around here, the Binance will announce about the listing. Maybe. Market mood, definitely, this is disbelief, this capitulation. So everything is so bad. For alpha, bad for alpha, but good for investment. So that's it. Direction, yes, the wheels accumulate. The wheels accumulate step by step. Everything good. Money power, take a look, the monthly here. Finally, in April, we got a money inflow into alpha. So it's a good one. At least we almost pumped it 100%. So soon we can see the money outflow. So yeah, just be careful. Here was a money inflow at 4.75. So most likely we can go higher, right? And maybe after that, see the correction. So I repeat again. So the crucial level, it's break the structure at 13.76, 14 cents. So something like decimal and go higher. So this is what I would like to see for this token. Just for analysis, I highly recommend you go and check the main bull and plan, what I posted for this token not recently, just a year ago or a year and a half. Take a look the trade on. Sell. Here all this in period of buybacks. Signal. Daily, I guess here was a signal to buy. Yes. Last one was exactly at equal lows. This one, we formed the equal lows. And this one. Let's mark it. Form the equal low and we get a signal to buy. So here, if you trade intraday, of course, you could fix the profit now, I guess. Not yet. But with second leverage, yes, if you open the trade with second leverage, it could be the 160%. The worst case scenario, guys, of course, on a daily, like you can see, we sweep the high. So we break the structure, but not confirm it. To see the confirmation, we need to see something like this one, maybe drop and bounce to build that structure. Highly recommend you go and check the video about a structure, guys, and about a break of structure, both. The worst case scenario, if it's a fake out, we can drop like this one. We're gonna waste the time this summer. But for example, you can buy now and buy here. So average entry will be around 2 and 3 cents. And after that, you can build a plan and out at $1, for example. But we can't know are the Binance will still keep this token on the exchange or not. That's a problem. and take a look the bullish case signals, guys. We reject now on the fundamental volume, test and reject. Buy line now it's 510.68. Take profit line 11.43. Exit line 12.94 on a weekly. Daily, the road should be to 510.17 and exit line 510.84. So this should be like this one, confirmation of the breakout, right? And go higher. So this is the best case scenario for the May. 12 time frame, guys, at the buy, we rejected the take profit line. Exit line is 410.94. Buy line 210.20. And for the wall of the token at 110.65. Maybe if the alpha will drop to the 110.65, maybe I will buy it. Now I don't have interest in this token. But guys, it's just my humble opinion because I can't buy every single token. If you invested here, all targets I showed you. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you like to trade with my customer success, what I showed in this video, write me DM. By the way, now I got first 2 weeks in May, I get a discount sale, minus 30%. And don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.